Hey Discover New You family, what's good? I'm here today with you to discover the care of the largest organ we possess. Okay? What do you think that is? That should be so easy. Your skin. I say it so many times. And so, yeah, today I want to discuss what skincare really looks like, and I want to do it in an in-depth way that we are basically I have this is how planned I am, material, okay, that I want to share with you, so I don't want to, that's what I could do. So best body care that we can have is what I'm going for, and so I want to talk about body care today. Basically, it's body care, head to toe body care. So don't mind me looking off to the side. It's just to make sure that I stay on point with my notes. How about I get my glasses? That would really help too. Glasses on. So I'm gonna share some things. Today we're talking about skincare, okay? And how to, I guess, take care in the most basic way, okay, of your entire body. I know a lot of times we focus on just the face, okay, but I'm going to do a series beginning today of how we can take care of our hands, things we should do to take care of our feet so we have pretty ones, you know what I mean, and things to do to take care of our face part and so forth. But right now, head to toe, we're going to talk about this part from the shoulders to the well, really feet too, right? Because we're going to talk about how to take baths and everything. So our skin is the largest organ we possess, as you always hear me say. For that reason alone.
Okay, I'm going to stop her right here. I'm going to summarize what would have taken her all day to explain to you, so this video can be a little shorter. So for now, listen and watch her for the fun of it. The speaker emphasizes that this is the only body we will possess in this lifetime, underscoring the importance of head-to-toe body care, rather than just focusing on the face. This approach is framed as good stewardship, meaning being a good manager of what you have, and aims to elevate the level of care to reveal the best version of one's skin. A core component of this care is cleansing, which is crucial for removing impurities, pollutants, dirt, oil, makeup, and toxins that accumulate on the skin's surface and can clog pores. Daily cleansing, especially before bed, is vital for allowing the skin to breathe and heal overnight, promoting radiance in the morning. Consistent cleansing also prevents breakouts and skin issues by eliminating excess oils and debris, balances natural oils, and promotes a clearer complexion. Furthermore, cleansing enhances the effectiveness of skincare products by preparing the skin to better absorb their active ingredients. The cleansing process is described as a layered approach, emphasizing the need to select a cleanser that suits one's specific skin type: oily, dry, combination, normal, or sensitive. It's crucial to pay attention to how one's body responds to products, as results can vary. The process should clean the skin without stripping its natural moisture, avoiding over-chemicalized products that leave the skin feeling dry. Now let's get back to the action and see what amazing products and skincare routine she has for us. All right, Nikki, you're up.
Okay, awesome. So, conclusions. I want you to know that a head-to-toe routine for yourself should include your skincare products, okay? I have a whole gang, I'm telling you. Let me pull my stuff out. I'm gonna just show you what I use for me. I have my skincare bag that I pull out every time I'm about to go take care of myself. This is in the morning, this is in the night. This is everything Unessa needs for her personal hygiene. Yes. I know. But it's not on my countertop. It's not all over the place. And I like it in here so when I stand at the sink, I can have everything I need, but I also have my skincare in my bathroom. In my tub, I mean, I have cleanser in there. I have, these are the, oh my gosh. I was gonna say these are the things I need after I get out the shower, but it's not that overwhelming, okay? This is just all my things. All my things. So, I know it's a good side, but I got nail products here and everything. This is the body care section in the middle. This is the facial care section right there. And it's like for hair, my hair stuff, okay? Just so my stuff isn't all over the place, that's what I like to do. But I'm saying that to say, I have my, I'm knocking stuff over, because I just put that up there. I have my cleanser, but before my cleanser, what do I have? What is this? Do you know? I hope you know. It's my eye makeup remover. That's the first thing I do. Second thing I do, my cellar water. Third thing I do, I'll go over with a, this is not the third thing. This is the third thing. The third thing I do is my cleanser. That right there. After my cleanser, I will do a toner when I remember. Because I had opened this toner for a video to show what to do. So after my toner, what else? I jump in with, I have like my tone corrector or whatever. After that, I will go ahead and do a mask of whatever sort, either this or my, I said I didn't have, but as you can see, I have a lot of stuff. But you need it to be your best, and you need to embrace that. If you want to present your best self, you will need certain things, and you have to resign to that thought and not embrace that thought and get what works for you and put them in the place that you will use them, and don't be lazy about your presentation. You know what I mean? It has to be, it's only important when it becomes important to you, when you decide that it's important. So I do this, but I do this and this. I don't like to do this without this. And what is this? This is my charcoal mask, and this is my renewing gel mask. So those things are together. Must have not put it in the right place when I was done. After that, I go ahead and I do a serum. Well, I do my boosters once I'm done with my cleansing. Because, for instance, my masking, I don't try to do it morning and night. I try to do it 2 to 3 times a week with 2 days in between each exfoliation. Okay? And sometimes I do my microdermabrasion, which is in the shower. Because I will interchange, just depends on, you know, how I feel or what I want to do. And then I have boosters that I use. Right now I'm on the resurfacer, and I follow that up with a hydrator. But I had some, what is the other one called? Niacinamide brightener, and then there's also the brightener, the hydrator, the resurfacer, and the line reducer. I do the line reducer just to have it very rarely, just because I introduced my husband to it and he uses it. So every now and then I will put some on my neck or some, okay, because I ain't got line reducing problems or needs. But so that's what I use on my face. Now, of course, the shower, the thing is not in here, but what I do use for, hold on a second, I will show some things. What I do use in the shower is my, ta-da! You know about these because they're magic. They create this glow. And when I say this glow, I mean this smoothness, this softness, this clearness, because that exfoliation is important, right? So dry skin doesn't sit on there. And then it also, no dryness, right? Because the lotion is great. So I have the body wash, the body scrub, and the body lotion. I do keep the body butter around the house so that I can enjoy the way that it smells and makes me feel like I'm doing something great for myself. Okay, so said all that to say, I also have in the shower my satin hands, which I do, I want to say twice a week, so that you could have beautiful hands. So when you touch people, they want to be pet by you, or they feel good. I love my satin hands. I use it on my feet too. So the next session will be all about how do I take care of my feet, what products would I use, and so forth. So for today, right? Oh, I wanted to also mention, oh man, hold on, I'll be right. So what it is that I ran to get, because I didn't have any more in here, was, and I know I should talk about, is our toning lotion. This thing is great for people that have varicose veins issues, and those don't look nice. So this is a toning lotion. It's good for stretch mark removals and so forth. Now, I will tell you, a customer had to put me on to this. I was wondering why she was freaking out and why she always buys a whole lot of these consistently. So what I found out was it tones your skin really well. And for her, it tightened all this so she didn't have, when she's waving up here, she didn't have a waving situation going on down there. Just kept the skin tight and toned. And this was something, when I found out about it, I make sure I use it maybe every few months at a time, because I really am in love with the thing we just discussed, the shea butter body lotion and scrubs and so forth. So in between times, sometimes this would be the toning lotion. I would swap out the lotion for and do this, because it keeps your skin toned and tight, and keeps it had gotten rid of stretch marks for me and give me a nice pleasant tummy after my baby. And that's when I discovered that was awesome. She was the customer I found out from, though. It had taken her, even slim her feet down, because you know when you work out and you lose a lot of weight or whatever, getting rid of the extra skin is a thing. So toning lotion is what she found to be her go-to, and that was giving her results. And so I recommend the toning lotion as well as the body lotion, because it keeps you not dry. This is a great lotion. It doesn't dry out in 2 hours, and it's not water based that it runs away and leaves you. Mary Kay works, I'm telling you guys. All the things I'm sharing with you as Auntie O is for my girlies and my people who, for whatever reason, lost their mommies or just didn't have good information passed down to them because they was busy trying to survive. Okay, these are the little girl things that your auntie tells you, your mom tells you, things that pass down. So just a community service. So yes, that's what I do for my body. And so we'll talk in depth about what is great for when we do facial care. We'll talk about things to depuff the eyes, things to remove, like for smokers who've got all the lines around their lips and extra things on their face here, or don't necessarily have to good maneuver life with. Let's make that body better. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, watching the video from start to finish. I hope that you discover something in here, some things actually that can enhance your skincare journey. And let's present our best selves. Let's present the best we have to offer in whatever body you are here with, because this is the body for the journey you're having. Trust. Okay, whatever your journey is supposed to be, this is the body that you're supposed to be in it with. We all bring different things to life, and have different ways that we need to, or different things that we need to press into God for. So make your journey with Him special and embrace where you are so that you can do the best with what you have. When you fight it, you make the journey harder. You struggle and you create wounds for yourself. You don't need all of that. Walk in the truth. How about that? Walk in the truth so that your truth would line up with what is the truth, which is the Word of God. Okay? Trust and believe. That thing has lasted so long. If it wasn't true, it wouldn't still prevail. So, get with it. Discover a new you. Love you guys. Be blessed. Oh, check out my skincare classes. On Monday, I do a makeup class on each month, and there are 4 sessions, so that's why it's each month. So commit to one of those so you can get the finer things about makeup, have it breaking down, even get you a certificate at the end. But there's also facial care, if that's what you want to like just help your skin to get to the next level as far as your face is concerned. Let's do that. I do that on Tuesday nights. Makeup Mondays, Tuesday nights at 8 o'clock. And then body care on Wednesdays. Hit me up and we'll talk personally about what's good for you. So even each class is personalized, of course, the skincare to help you get yourself on the proper track. So I hope you got some good gems today. Be blessed. Peace.